How to upload a video to YouTube from your PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your PC through Google Chrome or simply through app. After that, log into your account, then click on Create. Then click on Upload Video. You need to create a channel if you don't have one. After you've created your channel, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Again, click on Create. Then click on Upload Video. After that, click on Continue and select File you want to upload. After selecting your file, you need to verify if it's really you. After that, you can add description, thumbnails, add it to your playlist if you have one. If not, simply press on Next. You can also add subtitles, end screen, add cards, then press on Next. You can also publish it to private, unlisted, or public. Simply choose one and then click on Publish. And your video has been uploaded. That's how you upload a video to YouTube from your PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.